Trying to set your time zone manually, but the option is grayed out? First, go to the settings and tap on general. Then select date and time option. Here you can see we cannot change the time zone manually. To fix grayed out set automatically option, in settings, scroll down and tap on screen time. Here, look for the option that says share across devices and turn it off. Now, enter your screen time passcode. Turning this off helps remove some restriction tied to multiple devices sharing the same screen time data. Let's go back and check again. As you can see, it's still grayed out. To fix this, close the settings app from the background. Now, reopen settings and go to the date and time. And you should see that the manual time zone setting is no longer grayed out. If the option is still unavailable, try turning off screen time entirely or restart the phone. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe our channel.